we're gonna pipe the churros into the oil. We want to have a really straight churros. So my churros are well cooked now. So we just remove the excess of oil, put them into the sugar. Same with the second one. So just be careful because the pop rock starts to pop straight away. And then we're just gonna shake the sugar and the churros to cover it with sugar. That's perfect. We're gonna put our churros covered with sugar and pop rocks into a plate. Gonna let them cool a little bit, leave them on the side, and move on with our chocolate. So I'm just gonna fill a paper cornet with some melted chocolate, close it. So now I'm gonna use my chocolate to create a nice decor. So I'm just gonna follow this drawing. Here we go. That's for the dark chocolate. And then we're gonna move into the white chocolate here. I'm just gonna put a little bit of black food coloring and start mixing to create a gray color. Perfect. And we're gonna transfer the chocolate into the paper cornet. There we go. I'm gonna close it, cut the end, and do the same here to cover the top. Perfect. And we're gonna do exactly the same with the white chocolate. So exactly the same at the end. And we're gonna finish the decor with the white. And here we go. We're gonna let it sit a little bit into the fridge for 15 minutes. We're gonna let our chocolate sit for 15 minutes until we can move on the end. So now we're ready. So I'm just gonna take my churros, put it into the chocolate that's set in the fridge, and we're just gonna cover it just like that, really slowly. We're just gonna hold the paper and the plastic together with paper clips on each side. We want the chocolate to really cover the churros, and we're gonna let it set in the fridge at least half an hour to have a chocolate really thick on the churros.